Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make fresh corn and tomato salad with avocado and a light, refreshing dressing. This is a really easy summer salad. You'll need fresh tomatoes, sliced red onion, limes, avocado, cilantro leaves, feta cheese, which you can leave out if you don't want cheese in the salad, green chilies for a little heat. You can use serranos or jalapenos. I'll remove the seeds so it's not spicy, a little olive oil, and of course the fresh corn. If you absolutely cannot get fresh corn, substitute frozen or canned. Remove the husk and silk of the corn. Break off the bottom stalk. Try to get as much of the silk off as possible, otherwise you'll need floss. You can try a vegetable brush, but generally I get most of it off with my hands. The corn I got is bicolored and plump. You know it's going to be sweet. Whether you get yellow, white, or bicolored corn, make sure it feels heavy when you buy it. If it's light, the corn won't be very juicy. Also, the husk should be bright green. To cook the corn, you can boil it or grill it. The fastest way is to put the corn on a plate, sprinkle with a little water, cover with another plate, and cook for 4 minutes for these 2 ears of corn. Perfectly cooked corn really fast. To save time, prepare the other ingredients while the corn is cooking. The tomatoes I've sliced into wedges. To take the bite out of the sliced red onion, pour cold water on top and leave for 10 minutes. Drain and set aside. I've taken the seeds out of the green chilies and minced them. When the corn is cool enough to handle, stand it up and cut straight down to get all the kernels off. For the dressing, squeeze fresh limes. Add salt, sugar, olive oil, and the minced green chilies. Give it a whisk and the dressing is ready. To a large bowl, add the tomatoes, corn, sliced red onion, chopped cilantro leaves, and feta cheese if using. Cut it into small cubes or just crumble. Cut the avocado last so it doesn't turn brown. That's a perfect avocado. Now, if it wasn't so perfect, I wouldn't be able to use it. Sometimes when you cut one open, it might be brown and spotty. Take the pit out. Use a cloth, it's safer to get it off your knife. Slice it into cubes. Scoop it out with a spoon right into the bowl. Pour the dressing on. Mix it well and give it a taste. Add more salt if you like. Corn and tomato salad is ready to serve. There's a lot going on in this salad. The tomatoes are plump, avocado is creamy, corn is sweet and crunchy, crisp onions, salty cheese, and of course the tangy dressing. I love the salad with or without cheese. Go ahead and make the salad and let me know how you like it. To get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.